Hello, my name is Mark Stenzel. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Enhanced Vision. And today we're going to tell you about a brand new product from Enhanced Vision called the Merlin Elite Pro. This is the Merlin Elite Pro. It's a full-featured video magnifier that utilizes a high-definition Sony camera. You can use it to read any reading material, any printed material that you wish to look at if you're low vision. Here I have a magazine on the screen, and I place it on the XY table, which is located here, and I can then change the size. I can change the background. You have 7 different backgrounds that you can choose from, and you can adjust the size with each background, and then move the reading material in order to scan it and read it at your own speed. As you notice, there's an easily accessible control panel that only has 3 controls: on, off, magnification, and mode. You can also duplicate those same adjustments with the controller which is included. So for example, if I wish to change the magnification, I can just rotate that wheel to whatever size magnification I require. You can use the Merlin Elite Pro to look at any type of reading material. A moment ago we were looking at a magazine. Now we're looking at a book. You just open the book, place it on the XY table, and you'll note that the table can move to the right and left, up and down, so you can easily scan any document or book. And I have the capability to then adjust it. Again, I'm using the included controller. You can hear in the background that as I adjust the magnification, it announces the zoom level. And you have a wide range of magnification to choose from, as well as many background and foreground colors. These are all standard features. I also have the capability to dynamically change the magnification, change the brightness. I can increase or decrease it, and it announces that as an aid to helping me with the process. To show you the versatility of the Merlin Elite Pro, I have a pill bottle. Many of our customers may take medication, and reading the pill bottle is often quite difficult. So here's an example of not only the quality of the picture, but also how easy it is to use. So this is just a pill bottle that you can look at the screen, you can adjust the size. In this case I have it in full color, and you can easily see the information even though it's printed quite small. One of the really nice features of the Merlin Elite Pro is the ability to do what is called OCR. That's optical character recognition and text-to-speech. I can take any document, book, magazine, anything I wish to look at, place it on the XY table. Now I'm in live mode, and by pressing a single button,
OCR mode. Please align your document inside the frame.
I switch to OCR mode, and the device prompts me to align my document inside the frame, which you can see here. In this case it's green, but in the menu, which I will show you in a moment, you have the capability to change that frame. If you don't like green, you can change it to yellow or other optional colors. Now in order to scan that, I just take the controller, which is located here, and I press one button.
Processing. Chapter 9. Looking good. The secret of attraction. If asking for referrals were easy, most companies would have more than enough business. In Chapter 2 we reviews.
I'm going to pause that for a moment to tell you what is going on here. So you can see it scanned the entire page and it started reading automatically. Using the control panel, I have the ability to pause it,
Some of the reasons for referrals
start it again.
I'm
going to pause it for a moment because I can also dynamically change the background, what we call modes. So if you prefer a different mode, for example, this is one that a lot of people find easier to read, or the negative mode, that's often the preferred mode. And in addition, I have the capability to increase or decrease the magnification. So let me start the reading again, and you'll see what happens.
Of every salesperson, every sales manager, and every executive, Most people are just plain uncomfortable asking for referrals. The fact is, referral selling is a skill we need to.
I'll pause it again. So in addition to different modes, which I can select by using the right-hand control on the control panel, I can switch to different modes, as you can see now. And I have 7 different choices, and you can choose the one that is best for you. In addition, I can adjust the magnification. This is the one that I like best. It's easiest for most people to read, and this is what is called full screen text mode. It's crisp and it's clear. It ignores any photos or extraneous material, and it just gives you the text. And it allows you to follow along as you hear it read to you.
A system that will provide you with a comfortable and effective way to get in front of the customers you want to meet.
So I can change the speed and I can change the volume should I choose to do that. I'm going to pause it again for a moment. So what I showed you a moment ago was the simple mode when it came to scanning via OCR. Now I want to show you the advanced mode. So the controller has a magnetized cover, which I can simply remove, and it now gives me access to additional controls. So I'm going to switch to OCR mode.
OCR mode.
I'm going
Please align your document inside the frame.
I'm going to align the document. It's the same document we were using before, but I want to show you the differences. And now, using the advanced control, I press this button in order to perform the scan.
Processing. Chapter 9. Looking good. The secret of attraction. If asking for referrals were easy, most companies would have more than enough business. In Chapter 2 we reviewed some of the reasons referral selling is not the passion of.
So now the screen looks the same, and I've paused it for a moment so I can explain what you're seeing on the screen. It looks the same as before, but because now I have access to additional controls, I press this button in order to pause or play. And if I wish to move either forward or back in the document, I can use these arrows located here. The pause and play is in the middle, and the forward is to the right, and back is to the left. So let me illustrate that for you. We'll start again.
And every executive to ask. The good news is that there's a uncomfortable asking for.
So if I need to move through the document because I want to see something later on, or I need to move back to read it again, I have the capability to do that. And that's quite a nice feature. That's a standard feature available in the advanced controls. And remember, at any time, I can switch back to live mode if I wish to do that. So earlier I mentioned the menu. Let me show you how to access that. Take the controller, press these 2 buttons in sequence, and it gives you access to the menu. Using the scroll wheel, I can move to the various choices within the menu. Let me show you some of those. To select, I just press that button. That allows me to change some of the capabilities within the device. Earlier I made mention of the guide frame. Right now it's selected in green. As you can see, I can select yellow, red, or blue if I wish to do that. I'm going to leave it in green at the moment. Let me show you some product settings. We have 28 different languages that can be selected. Right now, we're in English, US. That's what's selected. But if I wanted a different language, I have the capability to move through the menu and select up to 28 different languages. Here you have French, Italian, Polish, and a variety of other choices. We've also just added Japanese, Korean, and Chinese to the menu as well, so we can accommodate those languages also. And then as you select different things, you can move back, and then when you wish to exit, you just go to the exit, press the button, and you're out of the menu back into live mode. So it's that simple to do. And you don't have to access the menu in order to use the device. So now you know how to use the DaVinci Elite Pro. Pro. Very simple, easy to use. Keep in mind it can be used as a regular video magnifier, or sometimes referred to as a CCTV, and then it also has full-page OCR, which is a very useful feature. We thank you for your purchase of the Merlin Elite Pro, and if you wish to reach us, you can do so at 888-811-3161 or www.enhancedvision.com. Thank you.